Alright, see what else we got. Big bag of crap right here. It's like a bunch of miscellaneous garbage. 100%. There's probably only one thing in here worth a squat. Alright, let's see what we got down here. Even if I buy a big bag of crap like this, there's only one thing I care about. And I can see already which one it is. It's right there. There's a 45 flathead top motor mount. Aluminum head. I probably bought that whole bag of crap just to get this one part out of it. So that goes right here on these aluminum heads. Cylinder down there or over here, they're all over the place. And that's what they look like. So this goes right here. Goes like that. So I probably bought that just for that piece. It's pretty nice. It doesn't look it's too overly rusted. It's been blasted before, you can tell. Not too bad. What else we got in here? Got a tag with the bunch of chrome plated garbage. Okay, got ignition switch, non-Harley. Really lightweight. Means it's made out of crap. See how it's all melted right through here? There's no coating on that. Probably because it shorted out right there and destroyed itself. So the chance of this being good are slim to none. Here's a cover that's no longer on there. Doesn't like that. So, redeeming value of this piece of crap is about 0. Right to trash. This here, unknown custom chrome bracket for some kind of instrument probably. Usually this is motorcycle related, not car, because cars usually aren't this complicated on brackets. I have no idea what it's for. Aftermarket exhaust clamp, can always use exhaust clamps. Late model piece of crap, set cover, keep that. Two-sided bolt, unknown application. Don't know. Not Harley. License plate reinforcement bracket. 73 hole is going to be 73 and later. Maybe 75, but pretty sure it's 73. Late model junk. Some kind of a bracket. Unknown. They made stuff like this for seats, but that's not a seat bracket. It's too heavy. Something unknown. Probably not Harley. This here. Probably some kind of a universal license plate bracket for putting light on it. The light only got one side, don't know. Couldn't be a seat because it'd be the wrong thing. Yeah, don't know. Junk! More license plate bracket parts. There's another one over here. This one has been bent a lot. So this goes up on here like this. Hold your bracket on. This mounts the fender here like that, and the license plate's up on top. This probably goes the other direction like this, so like that. There'll be another bracket that has the brackets that would have this bend on it. This is a horn bracket. It's not reinforced, so it's probably off of like a Softail or a late model Sportster or something like that. Comes off the top motor mount, and then the horn hangs off here. Big rubber mount. So another one of these. 2 of them. Ironheads ran something like this in late Ironhead motors, front rocker boxes. But these are not those. Maybe they're Evo Sportster. 4-speed Evo Sportster, late 80s. They might have ran some cheap ass hardware like this, but this is not Ironhead for sure. And 5-speed Sport Evo. No, it wouldn't be Evo at all because Evo didn't have this. This Ironhead style mounting system, not Evo. I don't know. There's 2 of them. That's the kind of stuff they did on those. But I don't know. Evo, it's got to be 84, late 84 to 85 Ironhead. But That's a pretty cheap looking bolt for that. These are aftermarket solo seat brackets. Come off the side of your frame or something like on a big twin. Put your seat spring right there. Another universal bracket, don't know what it is. Turn signal brackets, rear. A lot of different years. These are later model. Probably 80s and 90s. Sportster, FX, that kind of junk. And another good part. I got two good parts out of this whole list, whole pile. Well, technically this could be considered a good part, but not really. It's not Harley. It's way too thin to be Harley. So this is a kickstand return spring bracket. I bought a kickstand on last month's junk. I didn't have this piece. I think I was missing this piece. Yeah, now I got one. To figure out what to do with that kickstand now. It's probably in a box over there somewhere. Alright, so this stuff here. So this could be Harley, but I doubt it. This stuff here is all Harley. Or Harley application. These are just universal brackets. I have a universal bracket box with a still crap in that and a piece of metal. That's what you make this stuff from. But that's about it. Garbage. Alright, so this stuff here is good. Mainly these three things right here is all I care about. So, there you go. Miscellaneous junk.